In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude to Notion using workflows to streamline your processes and automate tasks. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started with these platforms, this guide will provide you with the clarity and simplicity needed to set up an effective integration. Let's begin by navigating to the specific Notion page where you want to implement this integration. Open up your Notion workspace and select the page that will play host to your Claude file. Ensuring you've selected the right page from the onset will help avoid any unnecessary backtracking later. Make sure to double check that this is indeed the right spot for your content to live, as a well-organized workspace is key to effective productivity. Next, you'll need to gather the file that you want to use from Claude. Access your Claude account, locate the file in question, and prepare it for the next step. This is an essential part of the process, as this file contains the data or resources you want to bring into your Notion ecosystem. Make sure the file is up to date and contains the necessary details, as this will save you troubleshooting time down the line. Once you have the file ready, copy the contents. Moving this data seamlessly is all about making sure you're selecting and copying accurately. A simple drag and highlight or using keyboard shortcuts can make this part of the process swift and error-free. Remember, a clean copy ensures a smooth transition. Now it's time to embed that data into your chosen Notion page. Head back to Notion, and on that page, paste the copied content. Embedding it effectively will allow you to interact with the Claude data directly from Notion, ensuring that everything is well integrated and accessible. Notion's embedding feature is intuitive, but take a moment to preview what it looks like and make sure it reflects what you intended to paste. The final step involves giving your integration a name that's both clear and memorable. Consider something straightforward that reflects what the integration accomplishes, like make.com automation. Naming your integration appropriately will make it much easier to manage and locate, especially in workspaces with a lot of activities or various connected apps. Once you've settled on a name, select the appropriate workspace for this integration. It's essential at this stage to verify that you're not only clicking, but truly confirming the sections align with how you intend to use this workflow. Finally, submit the integration. This action solidifies all your hard work, allows Notion to process your file, and sets you up for seamless workflow management. And there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully connected Claude to Notion. This integration can now aid in making your workflow more efficient, letting you focus on prioritizing your day-to-day tasks. Happy organizing, and until next time, keep those workflows efficient and innovative.